In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean up your Gmail inbox efficiently by deleting unwanted emails. Managing your email can sometimes feel overwhelming, especially if you've let the messages pile up over time. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through a simple process that will help you regain control of your inbox and make it more manageable. First things first, let's get you logged in. Open your browser and go to gmail.com. Enter your login details to access your account. If you're already logged in, you'll be taken straight to your inbox. Once you're in your inbox, you'll notice that Gmail automatically displays your incoming messages in order of arrival. Now, you might have a specific type of email in mind that you want to delete. To help you with that, Gmail has a handy search bar at the top. You can type in keywords, sender names, or even a date range to filter out emails that match your criteria. This is especially useful if you're looking to clean up newsletters, automated messages, or any communications from a particular source. However, if you're feeling ambitious and want to delete all the visible emails on your first page, there's a quick way to do that as well. You'll notice a small checkbox at the top left corner of your inbox. This checkbox allows you to select all emails that are currently visible on your screen. By default, Gmail shows you 50 emails per page. So, clicking this checkbox will select all those emails for you. After selecting the emails, direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll see a row of icons. We're interested in the trash bin icon, which is fairly easy to spot. It looks like a small trash can. Clicking this icon will initiate the process of moving all the selected emails to your trash. Before Gmail finalizes the deletion, it will prompt you to confirm your decision. This is a helpful safety feature in case you accidentally selected something important. It's always a good idea to double-check just to make sure you're not losing anything valuable. Once you're sure, go ahead and confirm the deletion. And there you go. That's how you can quickly clean up your inbox by deleting unwanted emails. Whether you're dealing with just a few emails or dozens, these steps are designed to make your life a little easier. Remember, regular maintenance of your inbox can help prevent clutter and ensure that important messages are never missed. I hope you found this guide helpful, and feel free to revisit whenever you need a refresher on managing your emails. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.